morning. It's Howdy Huey time. Alright. I've been on a road trip with the old girl. Go 500 miles on her. There's the motor. Runs pretty sweet. Alright, a little walk around. So sunshiny here in Florida this morning. There's the interior, the new seats. Take you inside. Alright. Inside, I would have to say, is pretty much done. Spent it one night in it so far. At the reupholstered couch. Kitchen area is done. Got my curtain in the bathroom. My good friend Bert and his wife made this, which makes it nice. Shower's done. Ready for the cat. Gonna put the cat back somewhere. Got a little closet. Tables in there. The fridge. Nice size fridge for a camper. With the freezer. And it keeps it nice and cold. This floor turned out pretty well. My good friend Donnie got me that floor. Looks a little different than the first video. Turn the lights on so you can see what they look like. Guess who made the curtains? I surprised myself. Alright, the old 88 camper. This is the view from where I first started. This wood up underneath here was all just gone. Alright. Yeah, it rode pretty good. The dog sat in the passenger seat all the way. Never said a word. She likes to travel. That's the 88 camper, folks. Just going into the shop to get the... Got an air shock on the back I gotta get replaced. And the clock is working perfectly. Yeah, that's what time it is. Don't forget it. Alright, signing off. Hope you like this. Alright. One thing I forgot to show. Generator starts. Got electricity. Alright. Thank you.